Hi friends. Welcome back to Duck Learns English. Have you ever woken up from a crazy dream and wondered what just happened? Why does your brain create these wild stories while you sleep? What if I told you that dreams might be your brain's way of keeping you sane? Tonight, when you close your eyes, something amazing happens inside your head. Your brain doesn't just turn off like a computer. Instead, it starts working in a completely different way. Scientists have been studying this mystery for decades. And what they found will surprise you. Let me take you on a journey into the world of dreams. It's a place where anything can happen. Where you can fly, meet your favorite celebrity, or even talk to animals. But dreams are much more than just entertainment. They might be the key to understanding how your mind works. Research shows that we spend about 2 hours dreaming every night. That's like watching a full movie while you sleep. But here's the crazy part. Most people don't remember their dreams at all. So what's really happening when we dream? Let's start with the basics of sleep. When you fall asleep, your brain goes through different stages. Scientists call these stages NREM and REM sleep. NREM stands for non-rapid eye movement. This is when your brain waves slow down. Your body temperature drops. Your heart rate becomes slower. It's like your body is going into power-saving mode. But then something interesting happens. After about 90 minutes, you enter REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. During this stage, your eyes move quickly under your eyelids. Your brain becomes almost as active as when you're awake. This is when most of your vivid dreams happen. Your brain waves look similar to when you're thinking hard during the day. But your body becomes completely paralyzed. Scientists think this paralysis protects you from acting out your dreams. Imagine if you could move while dreaming about running. You might actually run into a wall. Now, here's where it gets really fascinating. Recent research suggests that dreams help process your emotions. Think about it this way. During the day, you experience many different feelings. You might feel happy, sad, angry, or excited. Your brain needs to organize all these emotions. Dreams might be like your brain's way of sorting through your feelings. It's like having a personal therapist working while you sleep. Studies show that people who dream more often handle stress better. They also seem to be more creative and better at solving problems. I personally notice that after a good night's sleep with dreams, I feel more ready to face challenges. Do you ever wake up with a solution to a problem you couldn't solve the day before? That might be your dreams working their magic. Let me tell you about Sarah, a student I know. She was struggling with a math problem for hours. She went to bed feeling frustrated. But when she woke up, the answer came to her immediately. Her brain had been working on the problem while she dreamed. This happens because dreams help consolidate memories. Consolidation means your brain takes new information and stores it properly. It's like organizing files on your computer. During dreams, your brain decides what to keep and what to forget. It connects new memories with old ones. This creates a network of knowledge in your mind. Scientists have found that students who get enough REM sleep perform better on tests. They remember more information and understand concepts more deeply. But dreams don't just help with school or work. They also help you process difficult experiences. Have you ever had a nightmare about something that scared you during the day? That nightmare might actually be helping you deal with your fear. Your brain is practicing how to handle scary situations. It's like a flight simulator for your emotions. Research shows that people who have nightmares about traumatic events often recover faster. Their brains are working through the trauma during sleep. Of course, too many nightmares can be a problem. But occasional bad dreams are actually healthy. They're your brain's way of preparing you for real-life challenges. Now, let's talk about the different types of dreams. Some dreams feel incredibly real. You wake up thinking they actually happened. Other dreams are completely bizarre. You might dream about purple elephants or flying cars. Scientists think realistic dreams help you practice real-life situations. Your brain is rehearsing how to handle different scenarios. But what about those weird, impossible dreams? These might help boost your creativity. When your brain creates impossible scenarios, it's thinking outside the box. Many famous inventors and artists got their best ideas from dreams. The scientist who discovered the structure of DNA saw it in a dream. The melody for Yesterday by the Beatles came to Paul McCartney in a dream. Even the idea for Google came from a dream. This shows how powerful our dreaming minds can be. But here's something interesting about dream content. Dreams often reflect what's happening in your life. If you're stressed about an exam, you might dream about being late for school. If you're excited about a vacation, you might dream about traveling. Your dreams are like a mirror of your waking thoughts and feelings. Scientists have also discovered that dreams can be influenced by external factors. The temperature of your room can affect your dreams. Cold rooms might lead to dreams about winter or ice. Warm rooms might create dreams about summer or fire. Even sounds can enter your dreams. If someone plays music while you sleep, you might hear it in your dream. But your brain often changes these sounds into something else. An alarm clock might become a telephone ringing in your dream. This shows how creative your sleeping brain can be. Now, you might wonder why some people remember their dreams while others don't. Dream recall depends on several factors. People who wake up during or right after REM sleep remember more dreams. Those who sleep deeply until morning often forget their dreams completely. Keeping a dream journal can help you remember more dreams. Write down whatever you remember as soon as you wake up. Even small fragments can be interesting. Over time, you'll start remembering more and more details. Some people think dreams can predict the future. While this isn't scientifically proven, dreams can sometimes seem prophetic. This usually happens because your subconscious mind notices patterns. Your brain picks up on subtle clues during the day. Then it processes this information in dreams. So when something happens that you dreamed about, it feels like prediction. But it's actually your brain being very good at pattern recognition. Dreams also vary across different cultures. In some cultures, dreams are considered messages from ancestors. Others see dreams as journeys to different worlds. Western science focuses more on the biological functions of dreams. But all cultures recognize that dreams are important and meaningful. This universal human experience connects us all. Let me share something personal with you. I used to have recurring dreams about being chased. I would wake up feeling anxious and scared. But then I learned that chase dreams often represent avoiding something in real life. I realized I was avoiding a difficult conversation with a friend. After I had that conversation, the chase dream stopped. This taught me that dreams can be valuable messages from our subconscious. They help us understand ourselves better. Have you ever had a dream that seemed to tell you something important? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Another fascinating aspect of dreams is lucid dreaming. This is when you realize you're dreaming while still in the dream. Some people can even control their dreams once they become lucid. They can fly, change the scenery, or meet anyone they want. Scientists are studying lucid dreaming to understand consciousness better. It's like having a laboratory inside your own mind. Some researchers think lucid dreaming could help treat nightmares. If you can control your dreams, you can turn a nightmare into something pleasant. But lucid dreaming is quite rare. Most people experience it only a few times in their lives. Dreams also change as we get older. Children tend to have more vivid and imaginative dreams. Their dreams often feature animals, monsters, and magical elements. Adult dreams are usually more realistic and related to daily concerns. Older adults often dream about their past and memories from long ago. This might be the brain's way of reviewing and organizing a lifetime of experiences. Sleep disorders can also affect dreaming. People with sleep apnea often have fragmented dreams. Those with insomnia might have more anxious dreams. Depression can lead to longer REM periods and more intense dreams. This shows how closely connected our mental health is to our sleep and dreams. Taking care of your sleep is taking care of your dreams. And taking care of your dreams is taking care of your mind. Now, let's talk about nightmares specifically. Everyone has them sometimes, and they serve an important purpose. Nightmares often feature our worst fears and anxieties. Your brain is essentially practicing how to deal with danger. It's like a fire drill for your emotions. While nightmares feel terrible, they might actually make you braver in real life. Your brain has already rehearsed handling scary situations. However, frequent nightmares can be a sign of stress or trauma. If nightmares are affecting your sleep quality, it's worth talking to a doctor. There are treatments that can help reduce nightmare frequency. Dreams have inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. Salvador Dali painted his famous melting clocks after a dream. Mary Shelley got the idea for Frankenstein from a nightmare. Robert Louis Stevenson dreamed the story of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. This shows how dreams can be a source of incredible creativity. Your dreams might contain your next great idea. Scientists continue to study dreams using advanced technology. Brain scans can now show what happens during different dream stages. Researchers can even predict some dream content by looking at brain activity. In the future, we might be able to record and watch dreams like movies. Imagine being able to share your dreams with others. This could revolutionize how we understand the human mind. But even with all this research, dreams remain mysterious. We still don't fully understand why we dream or what all dreams mean. Every night, your brain creates these incredible experiences. And every morning, most of them fade away like morning mist. Dreams remind us that our minds are capable of amazing things. They show us that even when we're sleeping, we're still thinking, feeling, and creating. Your brain never truly rests. It's always working to help you understand the world and yourself. So the next time you have a strange dream, don't dismiss it. Think about what it might be telling you. Consider how it might be helping you process your experiences. Dreams are one of the most fascinating aspects of being human. They connect us to our emotions, memories, and creativity. They help us solve problems and deal with challenges. Most importantly, they remind us that our minds are incredibly powerful. Learning about dreams has taught me so much about the English language too. Words like nightmare, daydream, and pipe dream all come from our fascination with dreams. When we say someone is living the dream, we mean they're experiencing something wonderful. The phrase sweet dreams is how we wish someone peaceful sleep. Understanding these expressions helps you communicate more naturally in English. Dreams have given us so many colorful ways to express ourselves. They've enriched our language just as they enrich our lives. So tonight, when you go to sleep, remember that you're about to embark on an incredible journey. Your brain will take you to places you've never been. You'll experience things that are impossible in the waking world. And through it all, your mind will be working to make you healthier, happier, and more creative. Dreams are truly one of the most amazing things about being human. They remind us that even in sleep, we're capable of extraordinary experiences. What will you dream about tonight? Whatever it is, know that your brain is working hard to help you grow and learn. sweet dreams, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English with Duck Learns English. Don't forget to share your most interesting dream in the comments. I'd love to hear what adventures your mind creates while you sleep.